Yeah.
Say hi. Say hi, Periscope.
Hi, Periscope.
Say my name is.
My name is
Denji.
What's your name? What's your name?
I don't
Hi, Nelcha. Nelcha. Hi, Hustle and Hearts. Hi, Connie. Hi, you guys. These are my cousins. We're hanging out. Hi. We're hanging out here in Pretoria in South Africa at the same park we were at earlier, but except for now, the sun is setting. Look. Isn't it pretty? How's it going, you guys? Hi, Candace. Hi, Zach. Zach, say hi to my uncles. Uncles, say hi.
Hi. This isn't an uncle.
No, this is my cousin. My cousin Lemo. Thank you for inviting followers. There's my husband, DIY the Law.
What's up, everybody?
Here's my uncle, Huri. And my other uncle. How's it going? Uncles, what do you have to say?
Good.
How are you doing?
Good, and good to have you here in Mzansi.
They're happy to have me home, you guys. Uncle, what do you have to say?
Yeah, very, very glad to have you around again.
Oh, see, it's so nice. Nice to have. I'm happy to be here, you guys. There's somebody from Durban. Hi, Durban. It is. What time is it, you guys? We're checking on the time.
5:30.
5:30 in the afternoon. That's why the sun is setting, because it's winter here, you guys. What time is it for you guys? This one here wants to know. Say hi.
Hi.
They want to know what time. Oh, look, there's somebody saying hi from South Florida. We're in South Africa. Yes. Say hi. Tell them how old you are.
I'm 12.
You're 12, and what's your name?
Denze.
Denje. Mexico saying hi. Chicago, DC, New York. 11:35 p.m. in Manila. And 10:30 in the morning in where Netherlands is here. You guys, you see all these people?
They love
Hi,
us.
Saudi Arabia. They love you and they're giving you hearts. Look. Oh, say hi, Bukludo.
They're saying
Say hi. These are all my cousins, you guys. I'm having an amazing time. Here's my daughter. It's 5:35 in Germany. So we're in the same time zone in Germany. And it's, oh, say hi. Hi, Lamu. Say hi. Where are you?
Hi, what's up?
Call you? So they're not sending you hearts. Yeah, how are you convinced they're giving you hearts? You guys, I'm introducing my family to Periscope for the first time, and he doesn't even know what the app is about, and he immediately says, "Call me." He's always looking for his next girlfriend, you guys. Oh, wait, somebody asked you to marry them. You want to see? Let's see this one. So tell us what you do for a living, Cuzzy.
He drinks
Yeah.
beer.
Did you?
I drink beer, but I'm a lawyer.
Wait, they say you're handsome, so handsome. Isn't there some white farmers? Whoa. No,
she says she drinks
we're
beer
not. We're not going to be killing anybody. Who drinks beer? Who's that? Marco. Have they ever been to the States? Have you been?
No, I haven't.
No, he's never been. Okay, they want you. Look, somebody wants you. Hi from New York City. So tell us what you do.
I'm a lawyer. I'm a prosecutor.
He's a
And I drink beer on weekends.
He drinks beer on the weekend, and he's a prosecutor during the week. He's a lawyer. You guys, it's killing me. So, Lama, do you know anything about craft beer? My best friend online here says he wants to know, do they make craft beer here?
Never heard of it.
You never heard, like small, local made beer?
I just saw something on TV the other day.
No?
It's picking up.
Small breweries, yeah.
Oh, so we don't know about it yet, Zach. So you're gonna have to bring it in here. So they say you're gonna get swept up real
She
fast.
said I'm perfect.
Wait, who says you're perfect?
A beer drinking lawyer, perfect.
So you guys, this is a typical time. A day with my family is spent laughing, making faces, drinking beer, I guess, on a Saturday.
Lamu.
And oh, what are they saying? Hi from Mexico. The little kid in the back. What are they saying?
Him.
Which little kid in the back? There's so many kids. Hi, Puerto Rico. So you guys, my name is Tepsi. I'm a copywriter for Soulful Entrepreneurs. We're in Pretoria, South Africa. It is a lot of fun. And I wanted to show you guys that what's life in South Africa is like. Tell me his number so I can call him.
Yes. Wait, hold up.
No. We're always trying to tell him that he's not that cute and that he.
071.
You guys.
+27.
He's
my number.
No, we can't just give your number out on the internet, you guys. She's saying, come on, tell me.
Give him my Facebook.
Okay, you don't even know how to use Facebook, your account anymore.
No, I did. I'm back on Facebook.
You're back?
Yes.
Oh, I had no idea. Yeah, we have a huge family and we're very close. We're having a great Saturday. So I thought I would just say hi to you guys. Look, Uncle, look. See, they're talking to us. This person wants his number. Everybody's supporting that person getting his number. They say you guys are the best. Gonna get hitched via Periscope. He's gonna have a Periscope wedding. Hugs. Can you please send me a ticket to visit South Africa? Sorry, no, only family. I can only send tickets to family. Uncle, they're saying hi.
Hello.
Yeah, this is a great way for you guys to start the day. Oh, we will be viral. Ramu, this person still wants you. They want.
Spell my name for him.
Okay, you guys, where is the hot South African girl? Somebody wants to know. Well, I don't know. We're here. This is family time now. Hi, family from another mother. Look, the person says, please. What's your name, this person who really wants my cousin? Let's see. Tane Shiki. Well, we're just saying, Uncle is handsome too. Oh no, Uncle is married, okay? There's Uncle's oldest, this is his son, and his daughter is over there on the other side. Candace, I'm having so much fun with my family. We invite you to come visit, of course. Come from DC. No, I want the cousin.
Me.
Yeah, you.
Give me your number.
They say we're cool. So you guys, I just wanted to give you an idea of what a typical day is like for us when we hang out like with our family. We're missing a lot of people because they're at a different meeting. You've got an American accent for a South African. You grew up in the US. I did. I'm the only one. And I wish I could change my accent, but I can't. Hi, Owen. How are you? Give her the number before she has a heart attack. So handsome, she says, Lamu.
Hello.
Give
me your number.
Hi, how are you?
Tell her to give me her number. I'll call now.
Wow, you guys, this is crazy. This has been turned into the craziest scope that I've had so far. I hope you guys... Oh gosh,
I'm dialing.
He's dialing. He's looking for your number. Hi, Las Vegas, Sawubona. We say Ndi Madekwa. Hey, find my wife over there. I'm coming. Oh, and I'm not in the wife finding business. You guys have a nice evening. Just saying hi. We just wanted to check in. Everybody say goodbye. Say we love you, Periscope. Bye. Bye. We love you. Have a good afternoon. Oh, bye. Bye. Okay, see you soon. Bye. Isn't my family the best, you guys? They're so much fun. I wish you guys could all come and see. Have a good day.